What's up YouTube? So I'm back after a long hiatus, a long break, maybe 4 or 5 months of a break because I don't have any camera, action camera. So break from YouTube and lots of work. So I'm gonna show you the mods I've done on my bike, more like mods on my bike. So there has been lots of requests about the tail light flasher descriptive video, which I'm gonna do it later. For now I'm gonna show you one more mod, a new mod. That is the LED DRL mod, which is done on the cars, new Balenos like this, Audis, big cars. But I've done it on my bike. Pulsar 220 has an LED DRL. Yes, you can fit an LED DRL on Pulsar, unlike the normal Pulsars. Apache has it, stock, new bikes have it, KTM, RC. So this has been a pretty neat mod done by BHASKAR Autotech from Kolkata. I'll give the link of that person, DEBRAJ BHASKAR. He's an awesome guy. So he has done the mod. He has done pretty like multiple mods on different bikes, cars. So just check it out and tell me how you like it. If you need it, call him. So thank you. Watch the video.